secure the bag, then I go get it. I secure the bag, then I go get it. Diamonds on my...
Alright guys, we're back with another Saab video. The window regulator replacement. Here's what's going on. This regulator is off of a 2010 Saab. Was that a 9.3 or a 9.5? That was a 9.3, wasn't it? Yeah, it was a 9.3. No, the car we got it off of. It was a 2010 9.3. Still a Saab. This is the new one we got from a junkyard. And we got the motor to go with it. Now, the tools you need for this job is going to be use the 3/8 drive ratchet and a 10mm socket and extension. Got so many tools in here just framed up. 10mm. Everything's already off. Now this clip here, it falls in the handle. It just comes right on out. Just put that out. And this is a clip that clips to the door. I'll show you later on about the connector. What I'm gonna do first is, I'm gonna take this one, I'm gonna grease down all these gears in here. I'm gonna stick it back in here in the groove, just to get it lubed up and everything. This guy here is right here. I'm gonna keep that bottom bolt there. This was connected to that metal guy right in there, and then this is the motor. This is where this sits at. It's the actual cabling. The motor was sitting up in here, just like all the way up, right? And that bottom one's in there, and then that top one to this one rode right there. So that's how I connected, and that's the electrical connector for it. Yeah, it was.
Oh.
Did he have to buy him one too?
What's that? Yeah, it did, right.
Brian, you wasn't the one working all the time you been there?
Yeah, I told y'all about it. Yeah, that's what I told Clinton about. Okay, it's in right here, Dad.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm gonna slide it in over here too.
Now you want to get them in the bolts, then we put the window.
All right, there we go. Now I'm about to snug these down real quick.
Okay.
What's with that white part? The Toyota.
Oh, that's a bumper to Christian's car.
Oh.
We're getting all parts today.
Oh, y'all been working. Yeah, if your sister don't get it, I'll take it.
Yeah, take a look inside of it.
What year is it, Patrick?
That's a 2005.
Ain't no lights on or nothing?
Yeah, it's got a check engine light on, but we don't know. You know what I'm saying? Let's get the key.
So now, what I ended up doing was put the motor back in. Now remember, this is a 2010. This is from a 2010 9.3. This is a 03 9.3. My car's a 03 9.3. This is from the 2010. So the regulator is a little bit different. I'll show you guys later on. But I'm gonna tighten this bolt down, this bolt down. Now the pinion screw, I'll just put it back right there. That's for the actual regulator mounting bracket itself. I forgot about that earlier in the video, and I just tightened these four down. I didn't do the black one. I'm gonna tighten this down now. So I just extra stuff. Whoop, whoop. Is it on there?
Is this flying in there?
It felt like it was. I mean, I don't know. We're gonna find out though. That's what I was hoping for. The regulator, start them here, here, back inside the door. Thank you.
Ain't no diagnostics on it.
And what we did was, now I'm starting this nut to tighten it back down. So I'm gonna tighten this one, this one, this one, and that one inside there first. And I'll keep going. What we're gonna do now is, guys, we're gonna position this guy, which holds the mirror. I said mirror, fuck. The window glass inside the car, which holds it with these two clamps. So we're gonna loosen these. I'm gonna loosen these a little bit. And bear with me, people, bear with me, bear with me. All right, it's loose. 10 millimeter. Oh, sorry, shit. I'm just gonna loosen it just enough. Oh, and it fell in the door. God damn it. Now, what I figured out was these guys here, the connectors, this one on my right, straight ahead, this one, fucking hold the panel up at the same time. This big one here, the gray one, that's for all three except for the driver. This one's for the driver's side, okay? Because when I hooked this motor up, I thought it didn't work, but no. It was because this one's for the driver's side window and motor. This is for the passenger side and everything else. And I guess the trunk, I don't know what else. But it didn't work whenever I plugged just this one in. So that's what the issue with that is. So I'm gonna leave this connector hooked up. I'm gonna connect everything else. Let's see what's going on. That's about as far as I got now, just to test the switch. Now, I did not find a way to get the switch out only. I don't want to do all that. Too lazy. It's all good. This is a T30 or half-inch CRB, whatever you want to call it. You know what you want to call it. I'll explain why I'm using this in a minute. Connector upside down. Now, let's see if it works.
So you took that off a newer car?
Mm-hmm. It was a 2010.
Looks like it's working.
Trying to make sure it's all lined up in here. Alright, so now,
You want me to hold something?
oh no, I'm fine. So now you gotta make sure it's also lined up, and the rubber seals.
Yeah, where you don't no leaks or nothing.
Yeah, make sure all this stuff right here is lined up, and make sure you got everything smooth so no water gets down inside your window. Check that out on both sides. Should be perfectly fine. OEM. Alright guys, but now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this panel back off, and I'm gonna put my soundproof strip, whatever you wanna call that little protective thing, back on here, and I'm gonna take the speaker back off for a second, put that stuff back together. Everything got to be nice and snug. Now I got the panel and everything back. Not the panel, I'm sorry. Now I got the soundproof and stuff back on the car. Got the speaker back on. Just the T30. Here's the hard part. Panel. Alright, so now seeing where I'm at, Now, real quick, this part right here, this is for the door handle here. Now, what we're gonna do is, okay, I'm sorry, I'm brain freeze. Anyway, I can't really hold this panel up and talk. So this guy clips right in here, and then this part goes back into, where is it on the camera? Right here. Just fish it back through. Now I can't really show you guys how or tell you guys how. I don't got that many hands. So what happened with my regulator was the cable broke. This is the plastic piece that hooks to it clips to the glass. You can hear supposed to hook to it just like so. And that broke. That broke from mine. That's what happened. So. Yeah, that's how to replace a regulator. Get rid of this thing. Thanks for watching. Alright, Zoo Mob gang. Got it all together. So now remember, when you put this panel back on, this whole panel, before you put it any rivets back on, you gotta sit down in the seams up here. Meaning hook it over the little seam. You'll see it when I'm talking about. Some of you know what I'm talking about. And don't lose this. My dumb ass lost that. Don't lose that. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. That's how you replace a window regulator on a 2003 Saab. I guess. Any other questions, comments, leave in the description. I'll edit this video and post it. Thanks. This is my beats out. I'm tired.